Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily check if your iPhone compatible with version of Instagram. So for doing this, just open App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram. So now just open your Instagram, just scroll down, and here you will see if your iPhone supports this version of iPhone or not. So here you can see compatibility. This works on your iPhone. So this means that this version of Instagram can easily install on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.